Hi guys, just few very healthy dips for the lockdown season. I have prepared hummus. This is the plain hummus, beetroot hummus, pumpkin hummus. So three kinds of hummus, all very delicious. I'm starting with a basic hummus recipe and two variations of it. For basic hummus, I have taken chickpeas or chana, which I have soaked in water overnight and then pressure cooked it till it's absolutely soft. This is tahini paste. It's extremely healthy. I have taken white sesame seeds, white till, soaked it in water for about 10 minutes and ground it to a smooth paste. Extremely healthy for you. I'm adding some tahini paste to this, few garlic cloves. This is completely optional. I like my food a little spicy, so a green chili. Yes. I have not even used a drop of oil in this. If you want the consistency to be a little more smooth, just add a little water from the chickpea boiled. You can see it's absolutely creamy consistency. I'm going to pour it out in a bowl. I've not used any oil whatsoever. Wholesome basic hummus is ready. Garnish it with 1 or 2 boiled chickpeas. Here you go. Beautiful hummus is ready for you. In this one I'm making a beetroot hummus. So same chickpeas, first soaked overnight in water and boiled and pressure cooked it. I'm going to add some of the chickpeas in here. Some tahini paste goes, 1 garlic, some boiled beetroot, extremely healthy again, and you will just mark the change of color in the hummus when I add these. A good whiz. Look at this, isn't it beautiful? This blushing red color of the beets has imparted its color. Salt to taste. I just love the color. And this yummy goodness beetroot hummus is ready. The last one from this recipe, again the basic, that is the chickpeas goes first. Soaked and boiled chickpeas, a chili and a clove of garlic. The tahini paste, which is white till or white sesame soaked in water and ground. Of lime juice. It's nice when it's tangy. Variation in this dish is pumpkin puree. Boil some pumpkin, puree it. I'm adding that. So I'm adding a lot of beta carotene in the food. Lovely. So this pumpkin hummus is also ready. Drizzle some olive oil. The pumpkin hummus is ready. So the normal hummus, the pumpkin hummus and the beetroot hummus.